Hi there, welcome once again, and this is the time for learning Unlink and Nest. This is one of the essential things for video editing in Adobe Premiere Pro. So what is Unlink and Nest? You can take a look. This is a video clip I placed in our timeline, and it's a video of ocean. So let me play this one. Okay, you can take a look. We have video and audio file along with this clip, but when I will move this video clip in our timeline, the audio file and video file will move along. So let me move this video clip, and we can take a look. The video file is moved as well as audio file also moved, as because this is moving, the audio and video file are linked. But if you want to make them separate, in that case you have to use the unlink. So let's take a look how you will unlink this video clip. To unlink, you just have to right click with your mouse on the video file, and then you will get this unlink option. So when you will click on unlink, the video and audio file will be separated. So let me click over unlink. Okay, right now the video and audio file are separated. So if you move the video file from the timeline, the audio file will be not moved right now. So let me move this video file. Okay, you can take a look. The video file only moving, the audio file is not moving as well. And if you want to delete the audio file from here, you can do that. You can do that easily. So you just have to select the audio file, and then you have to press the delete button from your keyboard. So let me press the delete button. Cool, huh? So right now you can separately delete audio or video from your video footage. So this is the unlink. And what is Nest? If we want to learn about Nest, then we have to import an audio file from our exercise file. So let's import it. File menu, import option, and I want to import this fall color audio file from our exercise file, and then you just have to select it, and then you have to click open. Okay, here is our audio file, and I'm going to place this audio file in our audio track 1 bar. So let me place it. Okay, right now we have audio file and we have the video file as well, but the audio file and the video file are separated. So we have some extra audio duration more than our video file. That's why I want to delete the extra musics, and that's why we have to use the razor tool. So here is the razor tool, and let me delete the extra part. Okay. So now we have to use the selection tool for making a selection for the extra part, and this is the selection tool. You just have to select it, and then you have to press delete button from your keyboard. Okay, right now we have separate video clip and separate audio clip. So let me play the video clip once again. Okay, cool. So we have a nice music, but if you want to move this video clip after 16 seconds, here is the 16-second time frame. If you want to move this video and audio clip at 16 seconds, then if you want to add another video for first 16 seconds, so how you will do that? So we are going to move this video and audio file as well, but if you move this video file right now, what will be happen? Okay, only video file is moved, but no audio file is moving, as because they are unlinked. But we want to make a link so that we can move this video and audio file along. And to make Nest, you just have to select this audio and video file as well, and that's why you have to press shift button from your keyboard. And when you will hold shift button from your keyboard, then you have to select this video and audio file as well, and then you just have to right click with your mouse, then you will get this Nest option. Okay, so let me click on the Nest option, and when you will use the Nest option, a new sequence will be created. So I want to name a new name for the nested sequence because it's totally going to be a new sequence, and that's why I'm going to write ocean and sky with new music. Okay, ocean and sky with new music, and let me click OK. Okay, you can take a look. A new video footage is added on our project panel, and the name of our new video footage is ocean and sky with new music. And right now, if you want to move this video footage for 16 seconds, then you can move it along. So let me move it. Okay, cool. Right now, audio and video file are moving along because we created a nested sequence, and therefore a new video footage or new sequence is added in our project panel. So this is how you will unlink and nest the video with the new audios in Adobe Premiere Pro. So see you in next lesson.